This video introduces how to set up a network step-by-step using Smart Config. Do you still struggle with complex feature configuration? Smart Config on Ruijie Cloud provides a configuration list based on your current network devices and application scenarios. With the configuration list, you can complete basic network configuration, network optimization, and project delivery step by step. Choose Smart Config from the navigation pane to access the configuration page. It displays 3 stages of network configuration along with the common features and configuration sequence for each stage. If configured is displayed for a feature, it has been configured. Click to config to go to the corresponding feature configuration page. After completing the configuration, double-click Fast Smart Configuration to return to the Smart Config page. Add wired VLANs and create wireless VLANs. Guide you to create VLANs according to your service plan. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to configure VLANs quickly in CCTV scenarios. Network access control can restrict mutual access permissions on the internal network to ensure network security. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to configure network access control on Ruijie Cloud. Management IP address of AP displays the AP list and details across different VLANs. Smart WAN configuration applies to the Multi-WAN scenario. After configuration, data packets can be forwarded based on the specified routing policy and network resources can be allocated appropriately. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to configure Multi-WAN on gateways on Ruijie Cloud. Wireless Intelligent Optimization helps optimize a wireless network. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to configure AI Wi-Fi Optimization 3.0 on Ruijie Cloud Pro Vision 1.0. Loop prevention is a mechanism that prevents network loops and avoids infinite forwarding of data packets, thereby ensuring stable network operation. For details about the configuration, watch the video how can routing loop be prevented in Ruijie device, RLDP configuration guide. DHCP snooping prevents bogus DHCP servers from assigning incorrect IP addresses or gateways to DHCP clients, thereby ensuring network security. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to configure DHCP snooping on Ruijie Cloud. ARP Spoofing Guard prevents clients from being disconnected due to ARP attacks. Click to config, and then click Enable. Drag the VLANs you want to protect into protected area and click Save. Delivery Report allows you to export network delivery reports for customer acceptance. For details about the configuration, watch the video how to view, download and edit project reports on Ruijie Cloud version 1.1. Network-wide upgrade allows you to upgrade device software, thereby ensuring stable network operation. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.